Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. Another tricks is back. Another tricks is back. This tricks is all about draw. I just discovered this tricks. Just as you can see my cash out here, you can see it. The first one, I use 1k to play it. Cash out 23k. I never knew that this draw tricks is working perfectly like this. Oh my god. All comes with a big odd. Once you pick them, I will tell you what to do, the strategy I use on this. Then you will now stay online. You'll be watching the cash out increasing. So once it increase to the number of amount you want to cash out, you cash it. I will tell you when to cash out on these tricks. This is working perfect. I just discovered it today. This is a draw tricks. A draw tricks. Let me open the first one for you to see the draw tricks. You can see the order I use. You can see 3.9, 4.44, 4.70. There is a strategy I'm using on this. No go pick odds like you see in my as you can see here. No go and pick odd like this. Let me open it. Don't go and pick odd because of you see the odd like this. There is a strategy I use on this. I go throughout the strategy first before I come and pick them, draw. Then you will stay online. Just assuming now I stake 10k on this game. No how I must cash out. No 100 and something k. Imagine I use 10k on this, but I use only 1k. So I cash out 23,000. As you can see here, see other ones. See, I cash out this one 6k. I cash out this one 2k. Because this one I don't want to delay. I just cash it out and go for another one because I see they're delaying on this one. So I just cash out. But this one is the main tricks I use on this. The one of 23,000. There's another one again that is a 8k. Oh my god! I never know that this draw tricks is working perfectly like this. If you want this, just chat me direct on my WhatsApp. This is a draw tricks I discovered newly. See this one too. It's a draw tricks. You can see them. They will have time that you cash out. The odds normally come. I will tell you the strategy you will use. Once you go through the strategy, pick them, big odd. Stake whether 1,000 or 3,000 or 5,000, then wait for it. You see the money increasing without delay. Draw, you start it, just pick them before they start. You pick them before they start. I will tell you the places you pick it, the links you are going to use on this. I will teach you the strategy I use on this. Hi, this is very wonderful. I never know this is working like this. I would have staked 100k on this. Seriously, I never know. All right, if you're ready for this, chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Correct Bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post on this channel. All right, guys, see you on the next video.